how hard is it to install seat covers? Well, it really depends on all the bells and whistles of your particular vehicle, and let me show you what I mean by that. Does your seat have airbags? So this one does not. So that's just going to be one less step you need to take in the install process. And what about heated and air-conditioned seats? This one does not, so again, less you need to focus on. Power control options can add a lot of moving parts under the seat, so it's just more parts to deal with. Again, this one is a manual seat, so it will just be much quicker to install a seat cover on this. So whether you have all the bells and whistles or a base model, it's not necessarily harder or more difficult. It's just going to be more parts to take apart and more to put back together, which is essentially just time consuming. So whether you're a pro or this is your first time installing seat covers, all of our seat covers will come ready for you to install at home. If you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, be sure to comment below or give us a call.